Here's how to make Windows 11 taskbar smaller or bigger. There are two methods you can try, but the most common option is to open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the left side, select System, then click Display. Under Scale and Layout, you'll find an option that allows you to change the scaling percentage. For example, if it's currently set to 150% and you change it to 100%, you'll notice that the taskbar becomes smaller. However, this setting doesn't only affect the taskbar, it also reduces the size of other elements throughout Windows, so it isn't the ideal solution if you only want to resize the taskbar. Windows 10 had a dedicated option for changing the taskbar size, but unfortunately, Microsoft removed that feature in Windows 11. There was also previously a registry method that allowed you to manually change the taskbar size, but that method no longer works with recent Windows 11 updates. So, if you want to resize only the taskbar without changing anything else, you'll need to use a third-party tool. To do this, open your web browser and search for Windhawk. Open the official Windhawk website from the search results and click the download button to download the application. Once the setup file has downloaded, double-click it and follow the installation steps. Select the standard installation option, click Next, and then select Install. After the installation is complete, make sure Run Windhawk is selected and click Finish. Once Windhawk opens, select Browse for Mods. Here, use the search box to look for Taskbar. You should find a mod called Taskbar Height and Icon Size. You'll see that nearly 3 lakh people are using this mod, and it has a rating of around 5 stars, which is a good indication that it's a reliable option. Simply click on Details to open the mod page, then select Install to add it to your computer. If you see a security warning, review it and click Accept Risk and Install to continue. After the mod has been installed, open its Settings section. Here, you'll find several options that allow you to customize the taskbar. You can adjust these values based on your preference. For example, you can reduce the taskbar height to 35 and change other available settings as needed. Once you're happy with your adjustments, click Save Changes, and you'll see the taskbar resize immediately. You can experiment with these settings until you find the size that works best for you. By using Windhawk, you can make your Windows 11 taskbar either larger or smaller without changing the size of everything else on your computer. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.